Hello learners, welcome to Innovate Teaching Channel. In this video, we are going to discuss a concept from art education paper, that is contributions made by Rabindranath Tagore on art and education. So let's discuss his history as a playwright and as an artist. History of Rabindranath Tagore. His living period is from 7 May 1861 to 7 August 1941. Rabindranath Tagore is primarily a mystic lyrist in the tradition of a number of well-known medieval poet saints of India, whose influence has permeated the very core of Indian life during the last several centuries. Permeated means spread over. So his influence has spread over the very core of Indian life. He is the only one Nobel laureate, Geetanjali 1913, in the literature from India. Tagore's contribution was none the less in arts, as he was also a great playwright and artist whose plays and drawings drew worldwide acclaim. None the less means even though. Even though he is good at arts, as well as he is also great at playwright and artist. Acclaim means public praise. So he had worldwide public praise. Rabindranath Tagore as a playwright. The basic qualities of Tagore's poetry are visible in the other type of modern literature essayed by him. Essayed means analyzed. He analyzed different types of modern literature. As a playwright, his dramatic work has two main important aspects, friends. The first aspect is one being his good understanding of modern European drama. And the second aspect is one being the relation between plays and the stage, for which presumably wrote. Presumably means probably. What he probably wrote. The stage, in essence, carry forward the traditions of the old Indian Jataka plays. Essence means being the most essential. So the stage being most essential forwards the tradition of old Indian plays. And Jataka tales, Jataka stories belong to Buddha age, and in this age, music and drama had a very high place. The Bengali folk theatre include most of Jataka tales and are presented on the stage as dramas. Rabindranath Tagore as a playwright was perhaps the greatest exponent of Buddha and Buddhism in Bengali literature. Exponent means a person who is good at. So Rabindranath Tagore is a good person at Buddha and Buddhism in Bengali literature. Most of his dramas used Jataka style of presentation, but there is no doubt that he was also influenced largely by certain trends in the modern drama of the West. Though he claimed himself to be merely Bengali writer, merely means the only Bengali writer, he is in spirit Indian to the core, and his message was to humanity as a whole. Till the end of his days, he was fully alive to the latest ideas and emotions that stirred the hearts, mixed the hearts of people in various parts across the globe. Rabindranath Tagore as a playwright, his plays, mostly all his plays are presented first in Abbey Theatre in Dublin, and his dramatic output in tune with modern times. You can see many pictures of Abbey Theatre in Dublin. These were taken during 1940s. Not only his plays first in Dublin, then later in London, and later in France, Italy, Czechoslovakia and Germany. His plays were staged with success in almost all these countries. But of all the countries, he attained greatest popularity in Czechoslovakia and paved the way for studies in Bengali language and literature at University of Prague. So the paved way is created the way for his studies in Bengali language. Rabindranath Tagore as a playwright, open-air dramas in any treatment of Europea, one usually try to relate the critical study of a particular dramatic literature into the stage for which it originally produced. In this respect, a study of Tagore or any other modern Indian playwright presents a different picture. Some of his important and famous plays are Raja, Post Office, Chitra Omnibus, and Malini are the outstanding productions of his plays. Rabindranath Tagore as an artist. Tagore is popularly known as Gurudev, and he was also a gifted painter. His paintings can be broadly discussed under four categories. The four categories are A. Animals and composites, B. Landscapes, C. Dramatic figures and scenes, D. Human faces and characters. The first category, animals and composites. It is said that Rabindranath Tagore's adventure with art began with drawing doodles. Doodles is a rough drawing, simply scribbling with absent-mindedly. Crossed out lines would take unexpected and accidental shapes. With memories of objects he saw in museums and books, driven by intuitive decisions, he used to draw his lines, which represented animals and other imaginary bodies. It was said his works merged with familiar with unknown. The second category are landscapes. Tagore described the visible world around him as a vast procession of forms, landscapes, which are smallest output of Tagore's art. He loved nature. He loved landscapes painted and emerged from his innate love. His landscapes invoke mystery and a sense of disquiet and silence. The most of his drawings were morning twilight, nature bathed in evening light, skies, forms coagulating into ominous silhouettes, which are some of the subjects one could see in his paintings. The third category are dramatic figures and scenes. Tagore never did name his paintings. His paintings have no name at all. The paintings were left to the imagination of our viewers so that they could admire them in their individual ways. Some of his paintings were deeply influenced by his experience as a playwright and the theatre with which he was associated. The furniture, colors used, costumes are decorated with a dramatic motif. Motif means design, dramatic design, and the paintings in a group resemble a wordless theatre. The fourth category are human faces and characters. The paintings of Rabindranath Tagore speak undying interest in human persona. As a writer and also painter, Tagore linked human appearance with emotions and essence. His faces in paintings speak of various moods in humans, like brooding, hangry, dramatic, mysterious, romantic, fear, wonderment, and melancholy. Melancholy is sad expression. The women in his paintings signify the closeted existence of them in Bengali at the time with veils and saris through which they covered their heads and hands. The eyes show sadness, inability to express themselves. So guys, see how famous Rabindranath Tagore was as a playwright and an artist. Okay friends, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. I am signing off. Bye.
Click the bell icon to get latest notifications. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos and stay tuned to our INNOVATE Teaching Channel.